In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to flip the board on chess.com in just a few clicks. This is super useful if you want to view the game from your opponent's perspective, analyze positions more clearly, or simply get more comfortable playing from both sides. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, this quick trick can really improve your understanding of the game. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and useful chess tips. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to chess.com. You can do this during a live game, a computer match, or even while reviewing a game. The feature works in pretty much every playing or analysis mode. Once your board is visible on the screen, look just below the chessboard area. You'll see a row of small icons that control different board settings and tools. What you're looking for is the board orientation icon. It usually looks like a square with arrows or a flip style symbol. Now here's the key step. Simply click on that board icon. As soon as you click it, the board will instantly flip and your perspective will switch. If you are viewing from white side, you'll now see the board from black's side, and vice versa. You can click this button anytime during your game, and you can toggle back and forth as much as you want. This is especially helpful when you're trying to understand your opponent's strategy or when you're reviewing a game and want to see what the position looked like from the other side. If you're using chess.com on mobile, the process is very similar. Tap the screen to reveal the menu options, look for the board settings or flip icon, and tap it to switch perspectives. The exact layout might be slightly different depending on your device, but the function works the same way. One quick tip, flipping the board does not affect your game in any way. It's purely visual, so you don't need to worry about changing settings or impacting your moves. It just helps you see the board in a way that might feel more natural or useful in the moment. And that's it. That's how you flip the board on chess.com quickly and easily. It's a small feature, but once you start using it, you'll probably find yourself relying on it more than you expect. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy chess tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.